Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have a fun fold that pops up and folds flat for mailing. Let's get started. Today's project is going to be using the Golden Greenery bundle, which includes die cuts and the Greeting of the Season stamp set, but feel free to substitute whatever you have. I have a piece of Designer Series paper from the Regal Winter pack. This measures 4 inches by 6 inches. I also have a piece of Pretty Peacock cardstock measuring 4 1/4 by 8 1/2 inches, and a second piece measuring 2 1/2 inches by 4 1/4 inches. I'm going to cut the DSP, so it's 4 inches by 2 7/8, 4 by 3 1/4 inches, and then 2 1/4 by 2 1/2, and then another 3/4 inch strip. This small piece I'm going to score on the long side at 1/2 inch, and 1 1/2. And this piece is going to be scored at 1/2 inch, one 1/2, 3 inches, and 4 inches. I also have a piece of basic white measuring 4 by 4 1/4 inches, and another scrap piece of basic white. I'm stamping my sentiment in Pretty Peacock. I'm going to die cut these bells. And I'm die cutting one of the pine bough, and I already could die cut some smaller ones. And this pine bough is going to get a little touch of navy to match some of this that's in the DSP. I'm going to start by folding on my score lines. And this piece is going to go here. I'm going to apply tear and tape on this flap. And fold it up and over. This strip is going to go here. This piece I'm going to fold on my score lines. Apply tear and tape to the little flap. And remove the backing. And it's going to go with the bottoms lined up, as well as this edge. This is going to flip up. I'm going to apply glue under here. And fold this back down into place. This little piece is going to go here. And this piece is going here. And this is going to go on the back. And your card stands up, folds flat to mail. Okay, I'm going to take a length of twine or linen thread, and I'm going to double it. And I'm going to tie the two bells together and tie a big floofy bow. Maybe not quite that floofy. I have my silicone mat here. So I'm going to build up this greenery into a spray. And then I'm going to use another glue dot to hold them in place so they don't hide each other. And on the back, I'm going to add glue dots to the pine boughs and dimensionals to the bottom of the bells. And I'm going to put a few glue dots behind these now that I know where they're at. I'm going to wad them up first. The final touch is to add some Winka Stella and add a tiny bow and Winka Stella to the back as well. And there you have it. A card that pops up to stand and folds flat for mailing. Find written instructions over on my blog at... If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!